Hi everybody, here we are. It's near the end of January, and just driving up to Ski Liberty here this morning to do a couple hours of skiing, just see what it's like. The weather's been really warm in the last few days, and I thought, well, let me see if I can grab a couple hours up here and see what the conditions are like. So on the drive in, it's a nice clear road. You can see that it's not snow covered or anything. The outside temperature right now is about 37 degrees Fahrenheit, and conditions should be okay, although they have been suffering because of the warm weather, and the snow buildup has been deteriorating. Okay, so here we'll come back here in a moment and show you what it's like pulling into the parking lot and grabbing a parking spot close to the lodge. All right, so here we are getting ready to pull into Ski Liberty Mountain. So what we would do is just turn in here. They've got a nice big sign here to indicate where to pull in. And as you're pulling in, you can see that there's a large lodge up here over to the right, and you can see a little bit of snow on the mountains up above as well. A couple trails there. Sorry about the sun. Okay, so the lodge looks like it's pretty substantial there. So when you pull in here, if you want to get to the lodge, you want to turn in at this point here into that little area to go do your check-in and everything. But for skiing, what you want to do is there's a parking entrance over here on the left, and then up here a little further, I found it's nicer for me to go ahead and grab a spot up here because the kind of vehicle I have, they have special parking for. So here we go. Okay, so one nice thing here, they've got plug-in parking over here, and for vehicles. I happen to have a plug-in vehicle, so what I do is I'll park in one of these non-charging spots, but spots that are for electric vehicles. All right, well, hi everybody. Here we are at Ski Liberty today. It's middle or late January, and it's about 37 degrees Fahrenheit out, and I've just walked out of the main rental area over there, which you can see. And the reason I'm mentioning this today is because today, believe it or not, I forgot to bring along my ski poles, and they were kind enough to let me borrow a pair today. So kudos to Ski Liberty for helping me out today. All right, getting geared up. here we go. Just looking over here at the slope, it looks like it's pretty good. It got down to about 30 degrees Fahrenheit last night, so it looks like they were able to pack it down nice and well, which is always a good consideration for these days. How are you doing this morning? Okay.
Got here all day?
Just for a couple hours.
Yeah, that's good. It'll soften out.
All right.
First hour and a half should be pretty good.
Oh yeah, I like it like that. Get up there.
They have Washington, California.